Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Somebody was asking me about the table tool, and it kind of works like Roy Brewer's tag cuts. And if you don't have tag cuts, if you'll search in my videos for tag cut, it's a pretty powerful macro that would draw this. And what this is, these are, let's just smart fill this. And if you look, that is a 3" by 1" name tag. Now, the disadvantage is you can't round the corners like you can in Mr. Brewer's. But we're going to go to tables and create a new table. And if we want a 1x3 name tag, so we're going to have 4 rows, 4 columns, 4 inches high, which equal 1, 12 inches wide, which would equal 3, and just say okay. The advantage to doing this instead of drawing it with lines, if you go to if you go to Object, Break Table Apart, and then if you go, and it's already done, but I'm going to show you the reason, and then go and ungroup it. These are individual lines. So your laser is only going to cut them one time. Now, to put names in there, it's a little bit slow or awkward, but if you're only doing a few name tags, it would really help you get them in the middle. I'm taking my Smart Fill tool and set it on no fill, and I've set it on hairline. So I'm going to fill that in. Now I'm going to select Bill, hold down the Shift, and select that box and go CE. Then I can take my box and just delete it. Now, there's no box here because it's individual lines. So we have to create a box and then go type your name, get your name first, Shift select the other one, CE, or you can actually go EC. And this could be done with a group of, well, we'll do one here in just a second, like a longer name or 2 names. So we need to make with the Smart Fill tool, I'm going to go ahead and make both those boxes and then go Ted, Shift select EC, Ryan, Shift select, and then go EC, and you can go CE. Then you can delete these boxes. So let's type a longer name. And then we're going to make it fit kind of in that spot. You know what? Let's make it 2 lines. So get your text tool back and go best man. And then, of course, you'd want to center justify that. And that's still too big for our spot. Let's put it right there. And then let's put it right here. So we'll take the Smart Fill tool, fill that in. Select, Shift select, EC. Now it's still a little bit big, but you could always move it down and then go EC again. Well, we made our back up. We made our box. We made our box smaller. So let's just make this a little bit smaller. Shift select the box, EC, and then get rid of our box. If you're just doing a few name tags or even a graphic, this would work. And the advantage is when you send this to the laser, it's going to save you a lot of time because it's not going to, it's going to save you wood because it's not going to you don't have to space them out, and it's going to save your laser a lot of time. So, and for those of you that maybe can't understand that, the laser is going to go cut this line. Then if they were individuals, then it's going to cut this line, this line, this line, and go around. So it's going to cut this line twice, that line twice, that line twice. And same here. So I bet you this cuts your time of cutting in half. Anyway, I hope that helped just a little bit. Thank you for watching.